Just another day at Sunbelt Roofs here in Lakeview, kind of an area near Lake Pontchartrain in New Orleans, Louisiana. Kind of an overcast day, but comfortable, maybe 72. Very pleasant day. Just wanted to show you this new project we're doing here on a new construction. Gorgeous home, a lot of architectural detail inside and in the back. I'll give you more videos. Just wanted to show you kind of a part of the architecture here with arched dormers. We're going to be putting probably a flat metal on that and hemming it in around the drip edge. We've got standing seam metal going on this roof, charcoal shingles. We're going to put the metal flashings on right up there on the brick ledge. So we've got stucco finishes, wall finishes, but we're going to be putting the flashings on today, and I'll give you an update video in a bit. Until next time, check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Sunbelt.